How to use AdCreative AI. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about AdCreative AI. So let's get into it. Now, AdCreative AI is a very popular AI tool that can create you amazing looking creatives for your campaigns. So right here you can see it's free, but there is a pricing plan, which we'll get into at the end of the video. For now, we're going to go ahead and click on try for free now. And once we've done that, you can see over here, this is the setup. You can sign up easily with your Google account or Microsoft account, or you can just enter in your full name, email address, or password. You can sign up and get 10 credits for free. Credits are going to be used to create creatives. So I'm going to click on sign up with Google. And once you've done that, they're going to ask you to enter in your credit card information or your debit card information, basically pay them just so that you can go ahead and start your 7-day free trial. And once you've done that, this is how it's going to look like. Over here, you're going to have your main options. This is going to be your dashboard. You can go ahead and create a brand by clicking on this button right here. Basically, over here, you import your website. They're going to go ahead and analyze your website. They're going to take the logo, the punchline, and everything. And they're going to create your brand description right here, right? And you can create one by clicking on this button, but since there isn't, we're gonna have to create one from scratch. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and copy Rolex's website and we'll paste that over here. And then over here, you're gonna add your own brand name. But first, it's gonna go ahead and, analyze your website and then click on import brand. It's gonna go ahead and import everything over here. So right here is your brand name and your description. And then you have your brand logo that you can upload. It didn't import that, which is weird, but that's fine. And then you have your brand colors over here that you can go ahead and change everything out right here. And then you can go ahead and click on continue to set everything up, right? So let's go ahead and upload our logo over here. If you want to create one, you can just simply come over here onto Canva and create your own logo. And you can see we have a bunch of different options. So let's go ahead and see watch logo. So this one looks good. So we can go ahead and use that as a logo, download it over here, save that over there, then come over to this website called remove.bg to remove the background of the logo. We can easily remove it for free over here. And there we go. Looks good. We can go ahead and download it, save that over there, come back over here onto our website, upload the logo right there, confirm the logo. We can even remove the background over here onto this video as well. So next I want to crop a little bit so that I can, make it a little bit bigger. The logo right here. Click on crop because it was way too small over there. Let's see how it looks like. It is a little bit bigger, but not too big. So maybe I should do it right here. See if that works. I don't think it's working, but it is what it is. Next, you can change up the name and description, whatever you want to call it. So I changed up the name. There we go. It looks good. Brand logo is updated. Brand colors looks good. And then if we click on advanced setup, we can change the fonts. I changed it to Poppins. We have the alternate logo over here if you want to add it. We've got Meta ads, Google ads, and Pinterest ads. So if you want to connect it over here, you can connect your ads over here. So that way, when you create your creative through AdCreative.ai, you can easily import your creative over here onto the ad companies, and then you can run that creative over onto your campaign. So now we're going to click on create brand. So this is going to be our brand over here. I believe because of the current plan that we have, we can only generate one brand, but we'll see. We'll skip this for now. And there we go. So now we've created the brand right here. You can see that. Next step is to go ahead and create ads. So to do that, you can see we have a bunch of different options over here. We've got ad video, ad creatives, product photos, stock images, text, brand creatives over here, ad packages, custom templates, and all the good stuff, right? Then over here onto the left-hand side, we've got our brands, projects, competitor insights. With this one, we can go ahead and track competitors. We can see what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong, and then, capitalize on their mistakes and, take away some of their cool ideas. Inspiration bank is going to be over here where we can see some of the cool ads that are currently popping over here or other people have created, and we can save that as an inspiration. Creative ad score, we can see all of the score of our ads that we have created over here. Background remover, these are other tools that it gives us as well. So let's go ahead and click on generate to generate our creatives. So here we're going to go ahead and click on add creatives. We're going to select what type of creative we want. We want a portrait, pin, post size, landscape, whatever we want. We can even select display size as well. For now, I think a portrait size would look good. Then we'll click on next. Next is the generated with the AI text. So here you can generate with text right here if you want, or what you can do is just add in your main headline, your punchline, and call to action. And over here is going to be your preview of what it would look like. And then down below, you can add your image as well. So if you want to do that, you can do that, or you can just simply come over here and add it. So here is your landing page, product/service name. So we'll just say luxury watches. Project text tone is going to be whatever you want, inspirational, luxurious, I would say. And then the language, and then product service/description over here, just add in the description and let's see what it does. Then you can add your target audience, and your call to action as well. And then over here, you can add your call to action. So buy now, whatever you want to call it, depends on you. And then just simply click on save and generate. Give it a couple of seconds to see what it comes up with. So then it comes up with something like this: craving a timeless statement, elevate your wrist game now, own timeless elegance, and call to action icon is going to be over here. So it suggested a diamond. I think that looks good. Then we have the call to action and all of that. Looks pretty cool if you ask me. You can go ahead and add your own stuff to it, depends on you. Then you click on the next step and then you upload your background image. So I don't have an image right here for you, but as an example, you should have it, and then you can upload it over here. But just an example, I'm just simply going to go ahead and search for one over here. So I'm going to search for luxury watches, right? And select one of the watches that pops up over here. So this one looks good as well. So I'm going to select this photo, and you can see right here, it looks pretty cool. Although the background, I would change that a little bit, so just so that it, pops up more. But over here looks pretty good. You can add the project name over here, and then just simply click on generate. And then over here is going to be your assets. So it's going to go ahead and analyze your text. So give it a couple of seconds. It's going to process everything. I'll skip that. You can see this is how it looks like, right? So it looks pretty cool. Some of them are really good, really simple creatives. We can see the score over here at the top. And if we want to download, we can download them as well. We've got 10 downloads available. We can go ahead and download any of them. And yeah, after that, we can just simply go ahead and connect our Twitter accounts or Instagram accounts or TikTok accounts and then post these ads over there. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification, as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online, or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.